Hi guys, today is going to be another one of my review videos, and today I'm going to be reviewing a luxury item, and this item is called DockATot. Now if you're not familiar with it, I swear by this because when my son was born, the nurses in the hospital made one for him out of blankets. Now it's really tricky to make it, but DockATot has come up with their own version that's already made, and you just have to use it with your baby. Babies love this when they're newborns. Even as they're growing up, they'll grow into it for a couple of months, and it's something that you can hand down from one generation to the next, so you don't have to worry that you're spending a lot of money and it's going to waste. This actually, you can pass it on, and I really love it. And you guys probably have seen a lot of celebrities using this item. So let me open the box and show you guys what's in it. Now this was sent to me from the guys over at DockATot, so I'm really appreciative for it. It's sealed really well. I'm trying to find where it's sealed. Make sure you guys can see. Now when you open the box, you get this DockATot, and here we have the DockATot. Now it's encased in a zipper. It also comes with a handle if you want to carry this, and you can select whichever color you want. I selected this color. So guys, here we have the DockATot. Basically it's like a big pillow with raised edges. So you're going to put your baby in here. The head is going to come on this side, and then the feet comes down to this end. Now here we have the detachment, so you can open it up if you like. It has a zipper, so you can remove it, and you can wash the case for this, and you can even purchase the case and change it. If it gets old over a period of time, you can change the case. So let me show you guys. I have a pretend baby here with me today. We'll call this baby Aria. So here we have Aria, and this is how you would place the baby. The baby goes in here. Now remember, if it's a newborn baby, you'd want to swaddle the baby before you put the baby in here. But this is practically the size of a newborn baby, right? So if you put the baby in here, you see there's room to grow. There's a lot of room to grow, and what this does is it keeps the baby nice and comfy, and it also makes them feel they're still in the womb and they're still protected by their mother. So guys, just a couple facts about this. It ranges to use from 0 to 8 months. It's breathable materials, lightweight and portable, washable and interchangeable cover. And this deluxe and style is compatible with a DockATot toy arch. The dimensions for this is 18 inches by 30 by 34 inches. And it can be purchased at DockATot.com. Because this is lightweight and it's portable, you can take it from one bedroom to the next. You can place this on your bed with you. If you have a king size bed, it'll fit perfectly on the bed. You can take it into the living room. You can have it on the ground on your play area. So it's very convenient and very lightweight that you can take it anywhere. Even if you're leaving the house to go over to someone else's house, great. Take this with you. It'll keep that baby nice, comfy, and they'll also have a place to sleep while you're at someone else's home, and you don't have to worry about you're going to put them on someone else's bed. They have their own portable bed. So that's one of the great features I love with this. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this review for this DockATot. Very nice and soft. You don't have to worry that it's going to be uncomfortable for the baby. It's made for a baby, so it's going to be so comfortable. So if you guys enjoyed this review for this DockATot, please leave me your comments down below. Please don't think it's too expensive. Trust me, your baby's gonna love this. Your baby's gonna feel so comfortable. They're gonna sleep longer actually if you have them in this. It really works. If you've never tried this before, you're not going to know what I'm talking about, but take it from someone who has experienced a very similar one to this. It really works. I highly recommend it. I stand by it, and I'm going to recommend this to all my friends and families who are pregnant right now. So thank you so much to DockATot. Thank you to Aria for being our helpful baby, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.